Welcome to all. Welcome to the Om Sai Academy, and today we are going to start exercise number 5.2, and we are going to see question number first, where we have fill in the blanks in the following table. Given that A is the first term, D is the common difference, and AN and nth term of an AP. So here they give a question in a tabular form. I had not drawn this, but yes, I'm going to solve with question number 1. So first question they had give A is equal to 7. It is nothing but my first term. D is nothing but my common difference, which is 3. N is nothing but 8, and I have to find out A and term. So now students, we are going to use formula, which is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So I'm going to substitute all the values wherever possible. Okay, so A is nothing but 7, N is nothing but 8 minus 1, D is nothing but 3. So 7 plus 7 into 3, and that is nothing but 7 plus 7 3s are 21, and the answer is 28. So my nth term, first question answer is 28. So now we'll see second question. Second question they had give A is minus 18. D we have to find out, N is nothing but 10, and AN is 0. So now with the same formula we are going to find out difference. Okay, here we have to find out the difference. AN is nothing but 0, A is nothing but minus 18 plus N is nothing but 10 minus 1, D we have to find out. Okay, so minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 is nothing but 9. D, okay, is equal to 0. So see, this is minus 18. While goes to LHS, it will be change its signs and it's become plus 18 is equal to 9D. Now, with the 9 is in multiplication with D, shifted to LHS, it will change its position. It is in multiplication. While goes to LHS, it will be divide is equal to D. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So hence I got distance is 2. So this is how we are going to start question number 3. Question number 3. So now we'll see question number 3. So question number 3 is nothing but A. We have to find out A here. Also we have D is equal to minus 3, N is equal to 18, and AN is equal to minus 5. Same formula we are going to use. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. AN is nothing but minus 5 is equal to A. We have to find out N is nothing but 18 minus 1. N minus 1. D is nothing but minus 3. So minus 5 is equal to A plus 18 minus 1. It's 17 into minus 3. So A plus minus, it's minus 17 3s are 51, and this is now minus. So minus 51 shifted to LHS, it will become plus 51, and now we got the answer as A is equal to 46. Yes, and plus minus sign should be always bigger number and subtraction will be happened. Okay, so this is how we got question number 3 answer. The A's value is 46. So now we'll see question number 4th one. So now in question number 3 we have A is equal to minus 18.9, D is equal to 2.5, and we have to find out. Also AN is equal to 3.6. So same formula we are going to use. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. So AN is nothing but 3.6. A is nothing but minus 18.9 plus N we have to find out. We don't know N. Distance is nothing but 2.5. Okay. So now I'll do one thing. This minus 18.9 shifted to LHS, then it will be plus 18.9 is equal to 2.5. This is in also in multiplications. I'll keep it as it is for a while. So 3.6 and 18.9, we have to do addition of decimals. Okay, 6 plus 9 is nothing but 15. Carry on. 8 plus 4 is nothing but 12, 1 carry, and it's 2. 22.5 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. So this 2.5 is in multiplication, while goes to LHS it will be divided. So 22 upon 5 upon 2.5 is equal to n minus 1. So see how will you do division? So see 225 upon 25. Okay. So if I'll add the decimal to the opposite side, it will getting automatically cancelled because there is only one decimal. So this will get cancelled. Okay, so 25 ones are 25 and 25 nines are 225. So here I got 9 is equal to n minus 1. If suppose I shift this minus 1 to LHS, then it will get added to 9. 9 plus 1 is equal to n. So hence n is nothing but 10. So this is how we got the answer of n, and this is answer is nothing but 10. So now let's see towards fourth question. So now we'll see question number 5, where we have a is equal to 3.5, d is equal to 0, n is equal to 105, and a n we have to find out. Same formula we are going to use. A n is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, a n we have to find out. A is nothing but 3.5 plus 105. N is nothing but 105 minus 1 into d is nothing but 0. It means what? As d is 0, this whole term will become 0 as it is with multiplication. So a n is nothing but 3.5. No need to do any calculation here because there is a 0 and it got 0. So this is how we got answer. A n is equal to 3.5. And student, this is how we had completed question number 1 from exercise 5.2, and now we will see question number 2. So see, question number 2 is nothing but a kind of MCQ. We have 4 options, and the question is nothing but choose the correct in the following and justify. First question is 30th term of AP. AP is nothing but 10, 7, 4, comma, dash dash is nothing but. We have to find out the 30th term. Okay. So from the given AP, what we understood that the first term solution is nothing but first term is nothing but 10. Distance, how we can calculate? Term 2 minus term 1. Okay. 7 minus 10 is nothing but minus 3. Okay. So here, this is how we got distance. Also 30th term, n is nothing but 30. Okay. So how can we calculate? A n is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay. So a is nothing but 10 plus 30 minus 1, n is nothing but 30, a is 10, and distance is nothing but minus 3. So 10 minus into plus is minus. 30 minus 1 is 29, and 29 into 3, okay, is 87. Okay, so 87 minus 10 is nothing but minus 77, and this is how we got a 30th term, which is nothing but minus 7, and we have option number C. Okay, so this is how we got the solution of the question number first. So now let's see second MCQ. Second question is nothing but we have to find the 11th term of AP. AP is nothing but minus 3 comma minus 1 by 2 comma 2 is, options are there. We have to check which option is correct. So looking at the AP, we got first term A is nothing but minus 3. Finding out distance is nothing but term 2, that is minus 1 by 2 minus term 1 is minus 3. Okay, minus 1 by 2 minus minus became plus 3. Okay, minus 1, I have to make this, take it LCM, or I have to change its base. So I'll do multiply and divide by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 3 into 2, 1 by 2 is nothing but minus 1 by 2 plus 3 2s are 6 by 2. Base is now same. So minus 1 plus 6 is nothing but 5 by 2 is my distance. Okay, so this is how I got my distance. Now 11th term, it means what? I have n is equal to 11, d I got 5 by 2. Okay, so now we'll solve the problem. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. A 11th I have to find out. A is nothing but minus a is nothing but minus 3, n is 11. A is minus 3 plus n is 11 minus 1. Distance is nothing but 5 upon 2. Okay, minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into 5 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So minus 3 plus 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25, and minus 3 plus 25 is nothing but plus 22 is my A11th term, and the correct option is option number B. So this is how we completed our question number 2. Now we'll move towards ahead our question number 3. So now we will start question number 3, and question number 3 is nothing but in the following APs find the missing terms in the boxes. Okay, so first question is nothing but 2, and second we have to find out, third is nothing but 26. Here we don't know about the distance. Okay, so how can we find out? A is nothing but 2. Okay, also I have A3, third term is 26. A3 is nothing but 26. So with the help of this we will going to solve the equation. A3 is nothing but A plus n minus 1 d. A3 is 26, so I am going to substitute here 26. A is nothing but 2 plus n is nothing but 3 minus 1, d I don't know, I have to find it out. Okay, so 26 is equal to 2 plus 3 minus 1, 2d. Okay, this 2 will shift it to LHS, it will become minus 2, sorry, it will become minus 2. So 26 minus 2 is nothing but 24. So this 2 is in multiplication, while goes to RHS it will be divide, and this is how I got distance is plus 12. Okay, so now I have to find out my A2 term, right? I have to find it out. So here A plus n minus 1 d. A is nothing but 2, my n is nothing but second term, so I am going to substitute 2 minus 1, d is nothing but 12 I got. Okay, so 2 plus 2 minus 1, 1 itself, 1 into 12 is 12, and this is nothing but 14. So my A2, my second term, is nothing but 14 I got. Anyways, distance 2 plus 12 is 14, 14 plus 12 is nothing but 26, and the question is correct. Okay, you got it. So we'll move ahead towards second question. Okay, so we'll start towards second question. Here we don't know about the distance. Anyways, the initial step A also we don't know. So let's see how to find it out. Okay, so see my A2, I have my A2 is nothing but 13. So A2, A plus n minus 1 d. Okay, A2 is nothing but 13, right? A, I'm not getting what is A. N minus 1, 2 minus 1 d. D distance is also I have to find out. 13 is equal to A plus d. 2 minus 1, 1 d, and this is how I am considering this is as my equation number 1, and I am going to find it out second equation also, and with the help of first and second I am going to identify A and D. Okay, so with the help of this A4 I am going to find out. A4 is nothing but A plus n minus 1 d. A4 is nothing but 3 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 d. Okay, A plus 3d. Okay, and this is how I got my second equation. See, if you look forward, then if I solve these two equations 1 and 2, if I am going to solve these two equations simultaneously, I will definitely I'll get D, because A is alone. If I subtract this both equation, so let's see, equation number 1 minus equation number 2, if I'll do, then what will I get? 13 is equal to a plus d. 3 is equal to a plus 3d. I'll do subtraction, then sign will get changed, right? Plus a minus a getting cancelled. Plus 13 minus 3 is nothing but 10 is equal to plus d minus 3d is minus 2d. Distance is equal to 10 by minus 2. This 2 will be shifted to division. Okay. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So hence I got my distance as minus 5. Okay. So as I got the distance as minus 5, now I'm going to solve term A first. Okay. A1 is equal to, sorry, I'll find out first. Okay, if I'll substitute my distance value in either any equation, definitely I'll get a term. Okay, so put d is equal to minus 5 in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is nothing but 13 is equal to a plus d. Distance is minus 5. Okay, so this minus 5 shifted to LHS, it will become plus 5 is equal to a. A is nothing but 18. See, this is how I got my first term a. Okay, so my a is nothing but 18. Now I have to find out a3. Okay, so let's see. a3 is equal to a plus n minus 1d. a3 I have to find out. I know a is nothing but 18. 18 plus 3, third term I have to find out 3 minus 1. D distance is nothing but minus 5. So this is nothing but minus 5. 18, 3 minus 1, 2. 2 into 5, 5 2s are 10, but this is minus 10. Okay, so a3. So this is how I got my term 3 is nothing but 8. Okay. Okay, understood? So this is how we had completed our question number 2. Now we'll see question number 3. So now we'll see question number 3. Question number 3, we have 5 comma, term 2 we have to find out. Term 3 also we have to find out. Term 3 is nothing but 9 1 by 2. Okay. So see, here I have a is nothing but 5. I have a4 is nothing but 9 1 by 2. So if I'll do it, it is in the proper form. So 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. Okay, so I have to find out a2 and a3. Okay, so see how I'm not having my distance, so a2 is nothing but a plus 2 minus 1d. Okay, a2 I don't have a2, so I have to go with a3. I think, yes, a3, a plus 3 minus 1. a3 I have 19 by 2. Okay, a4, sorry, oh, it's my mistake. A4 is nothing but a plus 4 minus 1d. a4 I have 19 by 2 is equal to a is 5 plus 3d. Okay, so if I shift this 5 to LHS, it will be getting subtracted, and 3d is equal to 19 minus 5 2s are 10 upon 2. I took a LCM, 9 upon 2. This 3 is in multiplication, while goes to RHS it will be divided. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, and this is how I got my distance. Okay, so hence I got my distance as 3 by 2. Okay, so now I will solve the term a2. See, a2 is nothing but a plus 2 minus 1d. A is nothing but 5. 2 minus 1, 1d, and distance is nothing but 3 by 2. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1d, distance is nothing but 3 by 2. So 5 into 2 plus 3 by 2. I took a LCM, 5 2 is a 10 plus 3 by 2. It is nothing but 13 by 2. I got my second term. Okay, 13 by 2. Now I have to find out a3, which is nothing but a plus 3 minus 1d. a3 I have to find out. A is nothing but 5 plus 2 into distance is nothing but 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. So I got 5 plus 3, 8. So this is how I got my term 3 is 8. Okay. Got it, students? So we will solve question number 4. Okay. Question number 4, here we have to find out 4 terms. We have only A and the last term. Last term is nothing but our 6th term. Okay. So we will see how to find out. Okay. So A is nothing but minus 4 and A6 is nothing but 6. We have to find out A2, A3 and A4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We have to find it out. Okay, now see, how can we find it out? If we'll see A6, A6 is nothing but A plus 6 minus 1D, right? And A6 is nothing but 6 is equal to A is nothing but minus 4 and 5D. Minus 4, if I'll shift to LHS, then it will be plus 4 is equal to 5D. 6 plus 4, 10 I got, and D is nothing but 10 upon 5. So 5 ones are 5 twos are. So distance I got 2. Okay. So now I have A. Now I have distance. I can be able to find out A2. Right. A2 is nothing but A plus 2 minus 1 D. Okay. 1D. 2 minus 1 1D. So A is nothing but minus 4. Distance is nothing but plus 2. So minus plus always do subtraction and the sign should be bigger number. Okay, so 4 minus 2 is 2 and sign bigger number having minus. So I got minus 2 as second term. If I'll turn towards term 3, that is nothing but A plus 3 minus 1 D and minus 1 D. Okay, A is nothing but minus 4 and this is nothing but 2 into distance is nothing but 2, right? So minus 4, 2 twos are 4, see, plus minus 4 plus 4 minus plus 4 is 0. So this is how I got term 3. Okay, now we will find out term 4. Term 4 is nothing but A plus 4 minus 1 D. Okay, A is nothing but minus 4, 3 into distance is 2, right? Minus 4, 3 2s is 6. Minus plus always do subtraction, sign should be bigger number. 6 में से 4 चले जाते हैं तो बचते हैं 2 and this is how I got A4. Okay, now I have to find out A5 which is nothing but A plus 4D, right? And minus 1, 5 minus 1D. Okay, A is nothing but minus 4, distance is nothing but 2 and minus 4, 4 2s are 8, it is nothing but 4. So this is how I got my all the answers of question number 4. Okay. So can you please take a screenshot? I'll turn towards question number 5, which is the last question of question number 3. Let's see. This is our 5th question. Now we have to find out term A1, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We have only A2 and our last term. So see, we have to find out A1, A3, A4, A5 we have to find out. We have A2 as 38 and A6 as minus 22. Okay, so if I solve with the help of this A2, what I'll get, A2 is nothing but A plus 2 minus 1D. A2 value is 38 is equal to A plus D. Okay, D I don't know, so here I'm getting my first equation. With the help of A6 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1D. A6 is nothing but minus 22 is equal to A plus 5D, and this is how I got my second equation. If I'll do equation number 1 minus equation number 2, then see, equation number 1 minus equation number 2, what will I get? See, 38 is equal to A plus D, minus 22 is equal to A plus 5D. Okay, I have to do subtraction. This will become plus, this will become minus, this will become minus. Plus A minus A getting cancelled. 38 plus 22 is 40, 50, 60 is equal to plus minus subtraction. and sign should be bigger number. So D is equal to, okay, I'm going to write down here, D is equal to minus of 60 by 4. Because of this minus 4, okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. So distance I got minus 15. Now I can be able to find out A. Put this value of D, put D is equal to minus 15 in either equation 1 or 2. I am going to substitute in equation 1, 38 is equal to A plus D. 38 is equal to A, I have to find out, distance is nothing but minus 15. This minus 15 shifted to LHS, it will become plus. So 38 plus 15 is equal to A, and A is nothing but 53. Okay. So this is how I got my first answer. So now I can be able to find out term 1, term 2, sorry, term 2, term 3. Term 3 is nothing but A plus 2D. Okay, A is nothing but 53. D is nothing but minus 15. So 2 into minus 15. I already took minus sign. 53 minus 30. Okay, 23 is my term 3. Now I have to find out term 4. Term 4 is nothing but A plus 3D. A is nothing but 53 plus 3 into distance is minus 15. Okay, 53 minus 45, or this is nothing but 8, right? So this is how I got this as 8. Okay, so now this is how I got A4. Now I have to find out A5. A5 is nothing but A plus 4D. Okay, A plus 4D. A is nothing but 53 plus 4 into distance is minus 15. It's minus 60. So A5 is nothing but minus of 7, and this is how I got my all the terms of question number 5, and this is how also we are going to end up with question number 3. And now we'll meet you in next video from question number 4. Okay, nice to meet you. Thank you. Bye bye.